Hey, I'm Brent Sluder from Science Hill High School. I'm the welding instructor there, and I'm outside of American and Mechanical, and we're going to do a little tour there, so stick around. Okay, so behind me, they're cutting 3/4 of an inch material with a plasma table that's 5 foot or 8 foot by 20 foot. And I actually have a 4x8. Mine won't do quite this much, but it's still pretty good. This is their field welding shop. Doing a little shielded metal arc welding. So these guys are actually modifying one of Eastman's rigs to make it a high lift fifth wheel, which I'm not quite sure what that is, but anyway, they do all kinds of contract work for Eastman. Pretty neat. Here's part of their welding shop. Those machines look familiar, huh? I'm sitting here with Ethan Sluder, which just happens to be my son, and we're at American Mechanicals, and he's running a very expensive Mazak laser cutter. All CNC, all the controls are CNC. If you look right here, it's showing G code, which is what computer numerical control is. It's running each line of code continuously. These are some of the parts that laser cutter is cutting out. Plus or minus a couple thousandths, that's pretty impressive. That was what they made it from, and that's the product that's actually coming out of the machine. Here's a quick view of the shop. Let's do a panoramic view here. Now there's the CNC brakes that we saw. A bunch of manual brakes, shears, all kinds of goodies in here. What you're watching right now is a CNC brake. Again, computer numerically controlled, and they're basically making a piece of channel out of a piece of flat steel. They start off with this piece right here, and when they get finished, they have this piece right here. I just want to show you some of these pieces that are sitting here that this company has manufactured. This was a straight plain piece of sheet metal, flat as a flitter, and they put louvers in it and bent the sides of it to 90 degrees. They've made ductwork here. And look at all the bends in that. I don't know if you can tell, but there's bends all around there. And that's all done with the CNC also. Pretty impressive. So I'm standing outside. It's one of the pieces that they built here. It's called a Gord 90. Gord 90, and it started out as flat sheet metal, and this is 5 foot in diameter pipe, which is pretty impressive that they started out all stainless steel too, by the way. All right, I'm standing here. We're doing our social distancing in the shop here. I'm interviewing Stephen Barrett, which graduated in 2011 from Science Hill. Great student then, and he's come a long way, I can tell. Stephen, how many employees do y'all employ at American Mechanical?
We have close to around about 124 employees.
That's a lot of people employed.
Yeah.
Obviously, you keep them all busy, and so kids going that's in my class right now, where do you see them in a couple of years? I mean, do they have to go to school? Do they have to go to CCAT or Northeast State or Domtar? what would you recommend the high school student to do right now?
Well, I mean, honestly, I would just, if trade work is kind of something you want to do, you just come right on in. And we've trained a lot of people right off the street, right out of high school, some right out of college that went to 4-year college and then kind of had a mind change and came here, and they love it. We've got a lot of welders, we've got a lot of metal fabricators, computer engineering. We design a lot of stuff, so this company has a lot of job opportunities, and and a lot of people don't realize that trade work, there's a lot of fun in it, and something that I didn't realize until later on, but I'm enjoying everything I do here. There's a lot to do here.
That's good. That's awesome. How long have you been employed here?
I've been here for about 18 months.
18 months. You do a lot of bidding for the company.
I do a lot of the laser bidding out of this company, and some of the metal fabricating work too for some of the welding, stuff like that. So
good deal. Thank you for your time.
Yeah.
I've enjoyed the small tour. Hopefully we'll get something out there and get some kids some ideas to go by.
Absolutely.
I think it's an awesome place. There's literally almost anything that you could imagine out of metal that these guys can't build. They've got so much equipment and so many capabilities to do so many different types of material, and it's very impressive. Like I said earlier, they do a lot of contract work for Eastman and other companies. They do anything from the outside individual bringing in a chimney cover to the 5-foot pipes I showed you earlier. So anyway, thanks for your time, Stephen. I appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you for coming.